And we begin with grim news for New York. Here's the very latest. More than 1,000 people have lost their lives in New York State to the virus. More than 2/3 of the deaths are in New York City. In New Jersey, there have been 161 people who've died. In Connecticut, 34. On a national level, more than 2,400 lives have been lost. The president warns that number could grow to 6 figures before this is all over. And as he braced the country for the possibility of that grim death toll, the president extended the national shutdown until April 30th. Federal help is on the way to our area tomorrow as the Navy hospital ship Comfort is set to dock on Manhattan's west side to help New York hospitals, which are overwhelmed by coronavirus patients. Also today, word from Mayor de Blasio that New Yorkers will face fines if they don't practice social distancing. Let's get more on the efforts to bring more medical facilities, hospital beds to New York. CBS 2's Christina Fan is on Manhattan's west side with the latest right now. Christina.
Well, Dana, we are standing right across the street from where that naval ship is expected to dock here tomorrow, bringing along with it about 1,000 hospital beds. Meanwhile, in Central Park tonight, work is also going on to keep up with the demand. In Central Park, the Christian organization Samaritan's Purse worked all day to build a 68-bed emergency field hospital near 5th Avenue and 99th Street. They're hoping to relieve the city's overstressed healthcare system.
A lot of suffering in Queens, especially in Brooklyn, and we're going to open up in just hopefully a day or two and help offload some of that to help take care of some of the sickest patients.
Tonight on 60 Minutes, Mayor Bill de Blasio said that he spoke with the president 3 times last week about military reinforcements to help relieve the city's frontline doctors and nurses.
They are not going to be able to sustain this pace, and we need to bring in a whole new group to substitute for them and give them a break and keep building our capacity. If we don't get a lot more medical personnel quickly, even if we have the equipment, it won't be enough.
This week over at the Javits Center, hospital beds will also be ready when needed. But Governor Cuomo says the space will likely only be used at the outbreak's apex, which current projections show approaching at a slower rate than before.
Now it's doubling every 6 days. So you have almost a dichotomy. The doubling rate is slowing, and that is good news. But the number of cases are still going up.
To continue slowing the trajectory, Governor Cuomo announced the extension of a statewide lockdown to April 15th, forcing non-essential workers to remain home and banning gatherings. The mayor says cops will begin fining those who do not practice social distancing between $250 and $500.
They're going to give people every chance to listen, and if anyone doesn't listen, then they deserve a fine at this point.
Meanwhile, the death toll for first responders continues to climb. Close to 900 NYPD employees have tested positive. The FDNY mourning the loss of auto mechanic James Valleco, age 55.
This is the kind of unsung hero who doesn't get the credit he deserves. This is the kind of man who keeps us safe because he kept the ambulances in good repair so they could get there to help all of us.
And there is hopeful news. One of New York's first coronavirus patients, a New Rochelle man, was recently released from the hospital. Across the state, over 3,500 patients have been discharged since the outbreak began. On the west side, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.